In this video, I explained how I did my lab experiment exercise 1 of compiler. And this it's a token separation program where I need to write a program to perform token separation for a given subset of language and to count the tokens in a given source program. Uh, it's a lexical analysis where it divides the source program into character by character, and a token is defined as sequence of characters with a collective meaning. Like tokens, like the keywords, identified punctuations, operators are divided in the program. For this, I use the program like getting the expression of the input and separating the each token and giving it whether it is a keyword or identifier and giving it a count. For this, I use the program where I use the Java language for this creating compiler. I used import java.util.scanner. I imported java.io.input.output.star so that all the classes in input output will be included in this file. First of all, in public static void main class, I just gave the string operator, like operators a plus minus, I initialize it to op, and for the with a string data type, and keywords are int, float, double, long, and delimiters and identifiers. And I use scanner class to get the inputs, and I initialize count equal to 0 for like when I want to increase my count whenever the keywords are delimiters are appearing. In the first, I just took the I asked the enter the number of lines so that the user should insert the number of lines it's going to be coding. That one I took the input in the n is equals to s dot next int, and I'm initializing m with n plus 1. So this with the other variable lines with the new string, and now I'm asking to enter the statement, so it will take the number of statements like the program which I'm printing. So for here, for I int I is equal to 0, I less than m, I plus plus, it will be like I from the starting 0 to m is a n plus 1 length, the number of lines we are giving. It takes the input and shows the output as such. Here the output is shown of the how many statements we are taking. And next, I'm splitting the whole given taken program into separate words. For this, I use the variables SPI STRI. For this, I took the m string which I have written here, and I'm splitting it whenever I see a gap. So the splitted words will be showed over here by using this loop. For in j equal to 0, j less than split string dot length, the length of that whole string, incrementing. And the system are using to show that things, I'm using system.out.println split string of j. So whenever j increments, the all the words in it are displayed. These loops are used for like I want to find whether it's a keyword or identifier or operation or delimiters. For this, I'm using the loop for int j equal to 1, j less than split string dot length, j plus plus. This includes for the whole operators, keywords, and delimiters and punctuations. For the operators, I did this for loop. So for int k equal to 0, k less than operators dot length. Like already I given the operators, what are the operators here? It takes the operators length. J plus plus, K plus plus, and if it compares whether the split string, the word which is having is equals to the operator. If it matches, it shows the system shows operator is equals to that particular split string, and the count is incremented to 1. If it is 0, it increments to 1. If it is 2 operators are there, it will be incremented to continuous incrementing. For the keyword, I have the same logic like for int l equal to 0, I'm taking the that length, and if it is equal to the keyword, then it takes the it shows the keyword is equal to that particular split string. For delimiters, I use the same logic where I initialize t is equal to 0 less than op dot length, and t plus plus, it increments and it shows the split string. I mean, if it is a delimiter, it shows that as a delimiter. If it is identifier, it shows a identifier. For each and every time I'm using this for loop, the if it is true, the count will be incremented for each and every time. And when I show the system, total tokens will be shown in the last. When I run this file, and the output, you can see that it asking the number of lines. So I enter as 2 lines. So I want to write the program now. I'm giving int a comma b uh, float c. So now you can see it will splitting the words as int a comma b delimiter everything, and it's showing keyword as int identifier, delimiter as comma identifiers and so on, and total tokens are showed as 8. This is the whole set of the program, how it works.